9. Clever ways to pay off credit card debt. Plus 5 ways to make money with credit cards. Are you drowning in credit card debt and feel like there's no way out? The stress, the late fees, and the growing interest can feel unbearable. But today, I'm going to share 9 clever ways to pay off your credit card debt faster. And trust me, if you stick around till the end, I'll reveal 5 simple ways you can make money with your credit cards. Imagine finally being free from debt and having control over your money again. It's possible, and it starts with these smart strategies. So let's dive in and take the first step toward financial freedom. 1. Use a debt relief program. One of the smartest ways to handle multiple credit card debts is through a debt relief program. Programs like TurboDebt can consolidate all your debts into a single, manageable monthly payment. This approach reduces stress and helps you avoid juggling multiple deadlines and interest rates. Many of these programs also charge 0 fees until your debt is resolved, making it low risk. Clients often find themselves debt-free in 24 to 48 months when sticking with the plan. It's a structured way to regain control over your finances and get a clear path to freedom. Debt relief programs also offer support and guidance to make the process easier. Instead of worrying about which card to pay first, the program handles the details. Plus, having a professional negotiate on your behalf can sometimes reduce the total amount you owe. If you've tried paying debts on your own and feel stuck, this could be the game changer you need. Many people have regained their financial stability thanks to this method. It's not just about paying off debt, it's about peace of mind. 2. Balance. Transfer cards. Balance transfer cards can be a lifesaver if you have high-interest credit cards. By moving your debt to a card with 0% APR for an introductory period, your payments go directly toward the principal rather than interest. Cards like the Wells Fargo Reflector card are popular for this strategy. This can significantly reduce the amount of interest you pay over time. Just remember, some cards have transfer fees, so do the math before moving your balances. Using a balance transfer card is especially helpful if you're disciplined and can pay off the transferred amount before the promotional period ends. If you can manage this, it's almost like getting free money in interest savings. Many people who struggle with high-interest debt find this method extremely effective. It's simple, fast, and can save thousands. The key is committing to paying more than the minimum. Don't let interest eat up your hard-earned money. 3. Borrow cash from your home. HELOC. A home equity line of credit, or HELOC, allows you to borrow money using your home as collateral. These loans often have lower interest rates than credit cards, giving you a cheaper way to pay off high-interest debt. During the draw period, it functions like a credit card, allowing flexible repayment options. Many homeowners find this option effective because it consolidates debt and reduces monthly payments. If you own a home and need a lower interest solution, a HELOC can be a strategic move. Just remember, your home is on the line, so stay disciplined with repayments. Using this method can save a huge amount of money in interest. It's not for everyone, but for those who qualify, it's a solid option. You get to clear credit card debt faster and more efficiently. If you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have a goal to reach 100,000 subscribers this year, and we cannot do it without every single one of you. Your support means we can continue sharing life-changing financial tips. 4. Cancel or reduce unnecessary expenses. The simplest way to free up money for debt repayment is to cut back on unnecessary spending. For example, overpaying car insurance or subscription services can drain hundreds of dollars each year. Tools like Insurify can help you compare rates and find savings. Every dollar you save on expenses can go directly toward reducing debt. Small changes, like cooking at home more often, can also make a big difference over time. Reducing spending isn't about deprivation, it's about being strategic. By making conscious choices, you can free up significant funds for your credit cards. Many people are shocked at how much money they can redirect toward debt when they track expenses carefully. Even small cuts add up quickly. And the more you pay toward debt, the faster you'll achieve financial freedom. It's a simple, effective, and stress-reducing strategy. 5. Reduce tax debt. Owing back taxes can make your financial life feel even heavier. Companies like Alleviate Tax specialize in negotiating with the IRS to reduce or restructure tax debt. This can help you pay off what you owe faster without penalties piling up. By reducing tax debt, you also free up money that could be used to pay off credit cards. Many people don't realize that professional help can lower total debt substantially. Reducing tax debt is a strategic move for anyone juggling multiple financial responsibilities. Clearing this hurdle allows you to focus more on eliminating high-interest credit card debt. And remember, this isn't about ignoring taxes, it's about finding a legal, safe way to reduce what you owe. Working with professionals can give you peace of mind and a clear plan. Paying less in penalties and interest saves money that can go straight toward your credit cards. Financial freedom becomes much more attainable this way. We're halfway through, and the best strategies are yet to come. Stick with me, because later we'll reveal 5 simple ways to actually make money using your credit cards. Yes, you heard that right. 6. Negotiate directly with creditors. Sometimes the simplest approach is just to call your credit card company. Asking for a lower interest rate or a settlement plan can work wonders. Creditors prefer getting something rather than nothing, so they may accommodate your request. Even a small reduction in interest can save hundreds or thousands over time. Be polite but firm when negotiating. Many people are surprised at how willing creditors are to help when they see you taking debt repayment seriously. It's a direct way to reduce what you owe without adding new loans or complicated programs. Negotiating can also give you breathing room to pay off debt faster. Always document agreements in writing. This method works best if combined with paying more than the minimum. Your financial control grows with every conversation. 7. Increase your income. Earning extra income accelerates debt repayment dramatically. Side hustles, freelance work, or selling unused items online can provide cash to pay down balances. Even small additional income streams make a difference over time. Think of every dollar earned as a weapon against your debt. With dedication, you can reduce debt faster than relying solely on your current paycheck. Some people find creative ways to earn that don't feel like extra work, like renting out a room or monetizing a hobby. The goal is to redirect extra income toward high-interest debt first. This approach doesn't just reduce debt, it also teaches discipline and money management. Over time, it can create a habit of using additional income wisely. This is one of the fastest ways to see real progress on credit card debt. 8. Pay more than the minimum. Credit card minimum payments barely cover interest and do little to reduce the principal. Paying more than the minimum each month shortens your payoff timeline. Even a small increase can save significant money on interest. Prioritize your highest interest cards first, or whichever strategy works best for you. Consistency is key. Every extra dollar reduces debt faster. Many people don't realize how quickly interest accumulates when making only minimum payments. By paying more, you take control and speed up freedom from debt. Make a monthly plan and stick to it. Adjust your budget to maximize payments. The sooner you attack the principal, the sooner your debt disappears. It's simple math, but it works incredibly well. 9. Use the avalanche or snowball method. The avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest first, saving money in the long run. The snowball method targets smallest debts first, giving psychological motivation as debts disappear. Both methods are proven strategies for structured debt repayment. Choose the one that fits your personality and financial situation. Many people combine methods for maximum effect. Tracking progress and celebrating small wins keeps motivation high. Both strategies encourage discipline and consistent payments. You'll notice how much faster debt disappears when you follow a structured approach. It also helps you see the impact of each payment, which is empowering. Whether using avalanche or snowball, The key is to start now and stay consistent. Financial freedom becomes a reality, one step at a time. Before we finish, here's something most people don't know. Your credit cards can actually help you make money if used smartly. Here are 5 simple ways to earn rewards, cash back, and extra cash while paying down debt. 1. Sign up for cashback rewards. Cards. Many credit cards give cash back on everyday spending like groceries, gas, or dining. Using these cards and paying off the balance in full each month can earn you a percentage of your money back. Some cards offer up to 5% cash back in certain categories. This extra cash can go straight toward paying off debt or saving. The key is never to carry a balance, so you don't lose more to interest than you gain. 2. Take advantage of welcome bonuses. Credit cards often offer generous bonuses if you spend a certain amount in the first few months. These bonuses can be hundreds of dollars in cash back or points. Smart spending to meet the requirement can give you free money without extra cost. Many people use these bonuses to pay off debt or cover upcoming purchases. Just track deadlines carefully to get the full reward. 3. Use points for travel or gift cards. Points can often be redeemed for travel, gift cards, or statement credits. Using points for flights or hotels saves cash, freeing money for debt repayment. Flexible redemption options let you choose the most valuable perks. This way, regular spending turns into rewards that reduce expenses. 4. Shop through cashback portals linked to your card. Some cards offer extra cashback when you shop through their online portals. This works on top of your regular rewards and can give up to 10% cashback. It's an easy way to earn more on purchases you were already making. The extra money can be applied to credit card balances. 5. Reinvest rewards into paying off debt faster. Instead of spending your rewards, apply them directly to your balances. Even small contributions reduce principal and save on interest. This creates a positive cycle. Smart spending leads to faster debt payoff. Using apps to automate this can make it effortless. Consistent reinvestment turns rewards into real financial progress. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. By doing so, you help us share more tips and reach our goal of 100,000 subscribers this year. Take control of your debt and start your journey to financial freedom today.